Hello, this is Jennifer Hardy, and this is a screencast to show you how to navigate through this classroom website. I designed this website for my students and their parents to access fun information about chemistry, but also information that'll be important to this class, such as assignments and daily agendas and review guides for upcoming tests. So I hope you find this screencast helpful as you're learning to navigate through this website. On the home page here, this is just designed to be a fun page for students. If you scroll down, I have some pretty exciting videos that you can watch showing some neat chemical reactions. I also have this link here for the periodic table of videos, which is one of my students' favorite websites, because if you click on this website, you have the periodic table here, and this wonderful team of scientists have created a video for every single one of the elements on the periodic table. I'll give you a quick example. If you click on K, which is potassium, you'll be able to see a video about potassium.
So potassium metal is very reactive. One of my colleagues who used to work with it described it as evil.
So I won't play the whole video, but just wanted to give you a quick little example there, and it's pretty neat because you're able to see some chemical reactions for each of those elements, and you can always click back here at the top to get back to the videos, and you can select any one of the elements and learn more about it through the videos they have created. So that's a fun website. And then also, like I said, I have a YouTube video that highlights some of my favorite chemical reactions. And then in this blue section here, we have, I have created a list of links that you can click on to get to some fun chemistry games and simulations. I think that's a really fun way to learn chemistry, is by playing a game or doing an online lab simulation. If you continue to scroll down, there's a section that has links to current news regarding chemistry. So this is where you can find out what the most current research in chemistry or chemical engineering is, and what kinds of new products or what kinds of new inventions are out there that are chemistry related. And last but not least, I have down here at the bottom 3 of my personal favorite elements. Bismuth here is my favorite metal, and it's a beautiful metallic rainbow crystalline structure. And if you click on this picture, it'll take you to information about bismuth and how to make these bismuth crystals yourself. Also, I have a picture of a diamond here, which is one of the forms of carbon. And so if you click on that, you can get to a video about carbon and diamonds. And then over here I have my other favorite element, which is a gas. It's a noble gas called neon, and it glows, a beautiful reddish orange color when electricity goes through it. That's why we have our neon signs. And so you can click on that to learn more about neon. So again, this first page, the home page, is really just meant to be kind of a fun page to get you excited about chemistry, because chemistry is pretty exciting stuff. Off to the left, if you are interested in learning a little bit more about me and my background, this is where you can find information. So if you read the information here, you're going to learn about where I went to school, what were some of my first jobs, that sort of thing, and information about my family. Here is some pictures of my family and some pictures of my fur babies and more pictures of my family. Off to the left again, there's a contact section. So if you need to get a hold of me, the best way to do that would be via email, also in person. So I will be in room 12004, and I'm teaching 6 chemistry classes this year throughout the day, so I'll be in that room most of the time. There's academic support time on Wednesday mornings before school. That is a day where we usually do not have staff meetings, in the morning, so students are welcome to come in and get help during that time. Also, I have my planning period, which is second period every day. That's when I'm going to be busy either grading or lesson planning for, the upcoming things that we have going on in class. But I am very happy to schedule time to meet with you during that period too if need be. Also, the first half of student enrichment time is when we have our chemistry enrichment, so that is a wonderful time to come in and get academic assistance. And then after school every day, I'm available from 3:30 to 3:45. I know that's only 15 minutes, so if you need me longer than that, just let me know a little bit in advance if you can, and I'll be more than happy to make arrangements with my family. Back to the left-hand side. This is a spot where I am hoping to get to know you a little better. So on this page, you will find a Google form, and this is where you will answer some questions about you and how you learn best, so that I can design my everyday labs and activities that will best suit you and your learning needs. Over here to the left, again, I have the course syllabus and the lab safety contract. This is where you will be able to find information about the class in the course syllabus, which is right here. If you need to see the full document, you can click on the upper left-hand corner, and that will take you directly to that Google Doc. Or you can just scroll down in the box itself and learn about the different units that we're going to be doing and how your grade is calculated in this class. Also here you will find the lab safety contract, which is a document that I require all students and their parents to sign. It basically just talks about the way that you can be safest in the lab room, some of the rules and policies that we have to keep you safe in the classroom, and your signatures are at the bottom. And last but not least on this page is a lab safety map, and this is where you will be able to, you'll be doing this in class, where you're going to be drawing a map, like a bird's eye view, that shows all the different safety features in our classroom, such as the eye wash station, the safety feature, or the safety shower, and the fire extinguishers, and so on. This will be a way that we learn how to find those items in our classroom. Also over here on the left-hand side, again, I have some calendars. And so if you click on the calendars section, it's being really slow. If you click on the calendars section, it will take you to this page here, which I think will be most helpful to you if you're going to be absent, if you know you're going to be absent or gone on certain days. You'll be able to look at the calendar to see what we did in class each day, and this will be extremely helpful, like I said, when you're absent, or if you wanted to know what we did 3 weeks ago. You can look 3 weeks ago and find out what we did in class. I will be updating this every single weekend for the upcoming week, so you will get information on that updated. And as we change things throughout the week, I will probably go back in and edit certain things, but I'll make sure everything is updated for you. If you scroll down, I also have 2 other calendars for you. I have the Muscatine High School Activities Calendar. This is going to be where you can find information about school dances, the school play, the school musical, maybe some sporting events as well. On the right-hand side here, we have the district calendar, which is going to give you information about when is spring break, when is winter break, when are the days off of school, when are there 2-hour early dismissals, that kind of thing. Back on the left-hand side, I also have a page here that shows you a few different maps. Now, I know that you all know where Muscatine High School is, but maybe you're curious about some other locations in our city and how close or far they are from Muscatine High School. This first map can help you with that. But more importantly, down here I have a link for that you can click on to take you to another map which will show you all of the free public Wi-Fi locations near you. This will be helpful because some students don't have internet access at home, and sometimes, you know, your homework assignments require you to be able to access the internet. So this is a way for you to know what locations you can maybe go to do your homework. So there are different restaurants that have free Wi-Fi, but there are also like the public library and other places like that. Back over to the left-hand side, this is where you're going to find all 16 units of study in chemistry. Each unit is about 2 weeks long, and if you click on these units, you will find 4 sections in each one of these pages. So the first section is going to have the I can statements and vocabulary words for that unit. It's being really slow to update this right now, but you will find that here, the document for the I can statements and the vocabulary words will be right there for you, so you can see what we're going to be studying. Another section here is helpful videos, and I will place helpful videos for each one of these units on here so you can, you know, learn from home if you need to on how to do some of the problems or how to understand those concepts better. Also, you will find practice work here. This is where you are going to find assignments that I give to you in class or optional practice work. So if you're having trouble with certain things, you can print out another assignment to practice on. If you scroll down further, you're going to find a section down here on review guides, and we will put the review guide here a few days before the test so that you will have some time to do some practice again before you take the test. So each one of the units has those 4 sections. Again, the I can statements and vocab, the helpful videos, the practice work, and the review guide, which is way at the bottom. If you scroll down even further past all the units of study, you will see, try to make sure, there we go, the Next Generation Science Standards. If you click on that, that takes you to the standards that we are following, all of the chemistry teachers here at the Muscatine High School, actually all the science teachers here at Muscatine High School are following the Next Generation Science Standards, which are the new science standards. And there are 11 of them that we are going to be covering in this class. And just in case you're interested about what the standards are and how they are linked to each of the units that we are studying, this is a document that shows you those standards and how they're linked to the units that we're studying. So that's about it. And of course, if you can't find something on the web page, please feel free to ask, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. That's what I'm here for. So I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, and I'm looking forward to working with all of you this year, and it should be a great school year.